All you see are smiles during this parade at Camp Yabsut.
You just come and they got all the activities for you to do and you don't really have to worry about anything else.
While they are enjoying themselves,
Getting to tell our stories, it helps me appreciate what has happened.
these campers have been through a lot. They're all burn survivors from across the Pacific Northwest.
Although we're not much different from other people besides appearance, but no one really understands you, and you're not able to make those bonds the way you are with anyone else besides people here.
8 years ago, Jamia Kristen was burned by a pan of hot oil and rushed to Harborview Medical Center, where she was treated for burns to her face, neck, and chest. Now she's 17 and ready to graduate from Camp Yabsut.
And it's hard, like when you're first burned, to find your confidence, be comfortable with yourself. And I feel like when I was younger and having those people to look up to, it made me feel a lot more comfortable with myself and helped me come out of my shell, seeing other people so confident with themselves.
We as a medical community, nursing, doctors, therapists, psychologists, we just want to be part of it because I think we want to be involved in the whole total care continuum.
This sense of community helps them look beyond the scars.
If I didn't have the support and the positivity that's been surrounded by me from the moment I got burned, I probably wouldn't be the way I am.
Jamia wants to be a burn trauma nurse. She hopes to help other survivors rise, just as she has.
You can do whatever you want to do.
From the UW Medicine Newsroom in Seattle, I'm Katie Chen.